Hi, if you are new to my page, my name is Wendy. I want to welcome you to my Pampered Chef business page. It is really nice to have you drop by. I wanted to just take a moment to tell you why November is such a fantastic month to have your own Pampered Chef virtual party. Obviously, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is the start of all the best food holidays going, and it starts now, actually, as we start thinking about and preparing for Thanksgiving dinner. And now's the time to really kind of inventory your kitchen. Make sure that you know where all of your special serveware is. Make sure that all of your cookware is up to snuff, or that you didn't forget that last Thanksgiving you broke something, remember? And you intended to replace it, and maybe you haven't yet. You still have time before Thanksgiving. If you haven't seen Pampered Chef for a while, please take a look at some of the videos and some of the posts on my page here, because Pampered Chef is not what you might remember from your grandma or your mom's day. Pampered Chef is modern, contemporary, stylish, beautiful, and still functional and full of value. And it is still the premier product that cooks and bakers want in their kitchen. Let me address one thing with you that some people may be thinking right now. It's like, oh, but Pampered Chef is expensive. Well, I'll tell you what, it really is not all that expensive. We have over 100 items that are under $25 and less. There's about 80 items that are under $10. But it's not the price that actually should be in your mind. It's the value. If you buy something at one of the big box stores and it breaks after 2 times that you've used it, or it doesn't perform the way you are expecting it to when you use it, you might think that it's your fault, that you're just not a good cook. Well, chances are, if you don't have quality cooking and baking materials, it's not you, it's the equipment you're using. And I know that firsthand, because for years and years I used inexpensive bowls and spoons, and I can't tell you how many wooden spoons I broke, and spatulas where the head popped off. And it really wasn't anything I was doing, it was the quality of the materials that I bought. So I have spent more in my own lifetime replacing flimsy equipment than I would ever have spent by buying one really good spatula with a guarantee, or one pan with a lifetime guarantee. So Pampered Chef is not what a lot of people think it is. And that's one of the things that I wanted to just bring to your attention as we're coming into the foodie time of year. If you have kind of cooking gear at home, maybe think about treating yourself to a little bit of an early holiday gift this year before all the cooking starts, and upgrade your own kitchen supplies. Having a Pampered Chef party online is one of the best ways you can do that, because Pampered Chef really spoils our hosts. And I would love to help introduce you to a free shopping spree. And you may be wondering, okay, I don't like parties. You know what? I was just there with you. I was very reluctant to get involved with any kind of a Pampered Chef party. I didn't want to do it. That was before I realized, in all sincerity, how fun it really could be, and how easy it is to do it virtually. So I'd like you, if you have even the teeniest little bit of interest, please get in touch, message me, and let's just talk. And I'll answer all your questions. And if you decide that you'd like to have a Pampered Chef party, I'll walk you through every step of the way, and we will get as much free product as we can for you, half-price products, discounted products, the works. Because my business is Pampered Chef. I love helping my friends and customers upgrade their kitchen to where they are going to have the best possible experience they can possibly have in their own kitchen. And we'll get rid of some of that old equipment that you have that's dented or burned or doesn't fit in your oven or doesn't fit in your cupboard, or the spatulas with the head that breaks off, or the spoon that is splintering, and you have to wonder every time you mix the cornbread, okay, who's going to get the rubbery bit this time? We've all been there. You don't have to stay there. So the basic outline, just so you know, for Pampered Chef virtual parties is we do it all online. I'll take care of setting up the party. I'll do all the heavy lifting. All you need to do is enjoy the party, invite your friends, and participate in the games, watch the demos, comment, and generally just have a really good time. We share recipes, we share ideas, I do live demos, answer questions, and help you learn how to be more efficient in your kitchen, how to have more fun, but more importantly, how to create memories for your family, one meal at a time. And that's what drives me, and that's what I would like to share with you. I think that we can bake the world into a better place. We can create family memories and traditions, and we can enrich lives one meal at a time. So if you're interested and you'd like to know more about the November or the December or the January even specials coming up for hosts and what it really involves to have your own Pampered Chef party, please just message me, no obligations, and let's see if it's right for you, and we'll get you started. Thanks for listening. It's been a pleasure meeting you. As I said, if you are brand new, and I know that we've had some new people like my page just recently, so welcome. It's a pleasure to get to know you as well. Reach out. I'm always here for you with your cooking questions, your baking questions. That's me. I'm a teacher. I'm a cook. I'm a big mouth. I'll talk to you later. Bye.